and welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial for PE Design 11 and Palette 11, we will go over Photo Stitch 1. From here, we are going to click on the Image tab, click Open from File, and when the drop-down box appears, we're going to click on that, choose PE Design 11, Tutorial, Tutorial 6, and we will choose the Swimming Girl JPEG image and click Open. From here, we will go and click on the Photo Stitch 1 located in the Image tab in the Stitch Wizard section, and we will choose Color. The process for the other three, Sepia, Gray, and Monotone, are the same. We will choose Color for the sake of this lesson. If your box is larger than what mine appears, we will go ahead and we will choose the handles to resize so we have just the girl's head, and then we will go ahead and click on Next. From here, in the Check Mask Shape and Modify Image, we will go down to the lower left hand portion of your screen, choose Design Settings, and make sure that our 100 by 100 millimeter our 4x4 hoop is selected, and click OK. Underneath the design settings, we will click on Fit to Page, and it will move it to our hoop and adjust it accordingly, and you have your size listed under the Fit to Page button. Go ahead and click on Next, and this brings up our parameters. From here, we're going to choose the thread chart. If you don't have the Brother Chart Photo Stitch selected, do that now. And we will change the maximum number of colors to 20. From here, we will go ahead and choose the most frequently used colors. So we're going to choose light blue, number 6, and there's a button that says Reserve with a pin on it. Go ahead and click on that. And we're also going to choose cream brown. So I'll go ahead and find that one. Choose Reserve. Highlight peach, which is number 5, and we will reserve that one. And deep rose. Which is number 13, and we will reserve that one as well. Now we will go ahead and change our maximum number of 20 back down to 10, and it will, by doing this, it keeps those 4 colors in our list of 10. So we will go ahead and change the maximum to 10. The brightness and contrast, we can move that over to the right to try to lighten it up a couple to the right, and the contrast, we'll move that one to the left. We will leave the sewing options the same. We'll leave leave it in the middle between coarse and fine. The run pitch we'll leave at 3.0. So page color we'll leave checked, and we're going to add a mask outline. And we'll click on the Others button, and you can choose the priority for the conversion, the switch, which is more important, the stitch quality or jump stitch reduction. So we're going to choose stitch quality. And the image type, is it a photo or a cartoon? Well, we are doing a photo, so we will leave that on photo. From here, we will go right over to the right and click on Update Preview once our parameters are set. And if you're still not satisfied with the overall look, you can choose the Select from Candidates button, and it will show you 9 different options to pick from. And click OK. Once you're satisfied with all your parameters and settings, go ahead and click on Finish. And it will automatically remove the image from the background. Now, if there are colors that are darker than you would like them to appear, you can certainly go down and try to find the ones that you feel are too dark. Let's try the gray. Go ahead and unselect everything, just the gray, and we will right click and choose that to sew first. And as you can see, it changed how it looks. I'll go ahead and put that back. And that is how we use the Photo Stitch 1 feature in PE Design 11 and Palette 11. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be notified when future tutorials are posted. Thank you so much for watching.